Yo, what is going on, traders? Maps here. Welcome again to my trading channel. And today, guys, we're going to be talking about something very exciting that you guys have been asking me about. So I thought might as well just make a video about it. We're going to be talking about this brand new indicator. It's called Triumph Scalper right now, and we're just going to go through the website, talk about the indicator just a little bit, and see if it's a worthwhile indicator or not. But at first glance, it's cool. I've been working with this company for a while. I've been getting their indicators for years, so they always come up with good indicators, very interesting indicators that are out there. So this is a brand new one, guys. It's called Triumph Scalper. I like the name because triumph meaning that you win, you're beating the team, you're beating everybody. So I bet this indicator is gonna beat the whole market. You know what I mean? So I like how it looks at first glance. I just like exactly how it looks, guys. It's very good imagery. And from what I'm seeing here, it's made by the same company that makes all the other indicators. There are going to be links in my description for the other indicators that I recommend, guys, so you can go ahead and check that out. And let's just get into this video, guys. But before we do that, make sure that you like this video, share it, leave a comment, man, and subscribe to the channel and support your boy, okay? And if you do like this indicator, all right, there is a link in the description. You can just click on that, just download it for yourself, or you can just message me and just ask me some more questions if you do, and then we'll see how we can set you guys up. So without wasting any time, let's jump into this thing, baby. Okay, Triumph Scalper. So basically, when you go to the website, this is basically what you're going to see. And from first glance, I think it just seems that this is a scalper indicator. I mean, like, sure, it's not for longer time frame trading, but it's more or less your in and out trading. Okay, it says down here that it works on the M5, M1, and M15 time frames. Okay, all right, that's cool. That's cool. That's what we like to see. We want that fast money. All right, okay. And then when you come to this website, if you want to get this indicator, all right, they reduce the price from $395, and you can just get it for $147. Pretty fair price, guys, if you ask me. All right, it's not too expensive. It's not expensive at all, especially if you want to trade, and do all these things. Might as well just invest in this. But if you want to just go ahead and download it, you click here and order now. It's going to take you to the page where you can actually set your downloads up, and then it comes with instructions and you can just jump into that. Okay, so let's see what they say here. This is pretty interesting. They say what's inside this new Triumph Scalper system. Okay, effective trading algorithm, obviously. Okay, it's user friendly, minimal time investment. That means that maybe when you're not going to spend too much time on the charts. High profit signals, perfect for beginners. So if you're a beginner, you shouldn't be intimidated by the system. It's made for you. So if you're just starting out, maybe this is a good place for you to start out. Okay, it detects the trend, in a unique way. Reliable signals, they are not repainting. Yeah, that's one thing that I can say about the indicators that this company makes. It's they don't repaint. Out of all the indicators that I've used, they don't repaint. So if you get a signal, all right, it's not gonna like change after a while. That's the signal that you're going to get. So it makes it easier for you to even back test this thing. It makes it very easy for you to back test, and just to get better at trading and using the system. So that's one thing that these guys have going for them, which is what I like. Okay, oh, here's a little video for you guys. Let's just see what's going on. So let me see. We'll click that. Okay, try and scalper in action. Let's see. Okay, so this is what it would look like on the screen, guys, when you download it. Okay, so basically there's some like volume lines underneath the price. So when it's blue, it gives you an arrow also. So when you see that, that's when you buy the market. Okay, and then as it goes, you buy. Okay, you see the market rose there. All right. Okay, so when do you sell? I'm just trying to see. Okay, so these blue volumes here typically are telling you that you're in an uptrend and you should be buying. Okay, this video still keep going. Okay, that trade was 115 pips. Oh, okay, so when it's a sell trade, the volumes change and they become orange or yellow. Okay, so it's typically it seems like it works like the Onyx Scalper. Okay, it works like the Onyx Scalper, just looks a little bit different, but this is also cool. All right, All right, so we pretty much get an idea of what this indicator is about, how it looks, and as you can see, guys, yeah, it's going up, 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 up. Yeah, pretty simple. Yeah, it's very simple to understand. It's not difficult at all. You know, the arrows will basically direct you. I mean, like if you want to get the direction of the market, this just makes it that much easier. Okay, so yeah. Alright, cool stuff, cool beans, cool beans, cool beans. Let's just keep going. Let's just keep going. All right, here's another place where you can actually buy the indicator there. You can just click there and get it for yourself. Okay, so here they're like, what can the Triumph Scalper do? Okay, it gives you signals on different time frames. The most recent profit was on the M1 and M15. Okay, for me personally, I don't like trading the M1 chart, all right, but I do F with the 15-minute chart and the 5-minute chart, so that's my thing. Okay, so basically, look at this image, guys. You see here on the left here, like when this yellow stuff, these yellow volumes turn to blue and gives you an arrow, that's actually where you buy the market, okay? So then it's gonna keep staying like that until it changes to yellow. So if you're buying at this level, and you're just following the market, you can just close the trade as soon as it gives you a sell signal. You get out of that buy trade, okay? And then basically you sell when this thing changes from blue to yellow with an arrow. Okay, so this basically just gives you the direction of the market. Okay, makes it pretty much easier. All right, makes it easy on the eye. Okay, some good pips right there. Let's keep going. Okay, these are more examples. There's a buy signal down there, guys. Awesome stuff, awesome stuff. Oh, and there's a sell signal up there. So it caught that down move, all right, and the market dropped and then caught that reversal. All right, okay. All right, we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. So typically they show you basically how this indicator works and how it's supposed to look. So this is what it's going to look like on MetaTrader 4, guys, when you download this and you purchase that. So it's pretty interesting, pretty amazing. It's alright, it's alright, it's alright. Let's just keep going. Some testimonials down here. Let's see, what's this? Let's see what this is. Triumph Scalper Kit. Okay, train of thoughts, blah blah blah. My development team. Oh, okay, so it's got an extension pack. Okay, so they've created an additional software to that indicator. All right, it increases the effectiveness of the indicator, making your process of trading even simpler. Okay. Oh, it's called Triumph Scalper Assistant. So this is basically like what they do with all the indicators. They have like another software that helps you to like basically auto trade in some way. Let me just read what it says. Triumph Scalper operates excellently on its own. Triumph Scalper Assistant is created exclusively to reduce the amount of time you spend and increase your benefit. Okay, Triumph Scalper Assistant captures the best moments to enter, buy, and sell that are generated by Triumph Scalper and allows you to open the order with fewer clicks. Okay. Oh, so basically it's an additional dashboard that will look like this. Oh, okay. So then when there's a signal, you basically set the lot size, okay, and then the stop loss, take profit, or you can switch it on and off. Oh, and then you can either say you can so this thing actually books the profit for you, which is actually amazing because it seems like it's got three options here. It says exit at the opposite signal. So let's just say if you've got a buy signal, all right, this thing will open it for you, and then it'll close when the opposite signal comes on. Okay, so if you got a buy trade, and then it'll keep running, and then it will close automatically when it turns into a sell signal. All right, pretty interesting. Exit at take profit level. Okay, since this does give you signals, it also gives you the take profit levels when it pops up. So then the trade will close automatically when it gets to the take profit level. Okay, so yeah, pretty interesting, pretty interesting, pretty interesting. And then they explain it here. All right, so there are three exit options available: exit at opposite signal, exit at take profit, exit at opposite signal, or take profit level. So yeah, you guys can F with that, and check it out for yourself. So you spend if you want that auto trading assistant, all right, you can just add and upgrade for $244. Okay, so not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. I like how everything is set up, guys, and I like the setup of the indicator. It just looks good. It's not too much. Okay, one thing that I'd like to point out is they don't add too many things that hide the price, because sometimes these indicators be on top of the price, okay, which makes it difficult for you to even follow the candlesticks. But at least this one is not interfering with the price, all right? It's just like volume bars underneath the price. So it makes it that much easier for you to understand the market very easily. Okay, so far I'm cool with this indicator. It's good. If you guys want to check it out, go ahead, go ahead. All right, so this is what I like about these guys. You know, their indicators come with different modes. They've got conservative mode. All right, conservative mode is basically your safe trading. It'll give you low risk signals. Medium mode, you know, give you a little bit more signals than the conservative. And basically, it's also like it's an optimal way to trade, and you know, it can find the sensitive trend direction. So this is like the middle risk right there. That's the one that they recommend that we put on there. And then for those crazy guys like myself, you know, that like to get lots of signals with super low safety, high risk trading. I'm just playing, guys. But okay, aggressive mode is a little bit more high risk, okay, but it finds the trades or the trends much quicker, but it's very high risk as well. So I like to trade safely, guys. I like to trade safely. Okay, so basically, here's a little video. I think it's an extension of what we saw, guys. So basically, like we saw, like it will paint this arrow, and then that's where you buy. Okay, and then it will keep going, keep going. You stay in the buy until this thing turns. Yeah, you see, you get out of the buy when that thing turns and becomes yellow. Okay, so as soon as you see a down arrow, that's when you get out the trade. So you're still in the buy, still in the buy, still in the buy. All right, and then you get out when it turns and shows you a down arrow. Okay, then you start selling. All right, that means that the market is retracing. Okay, right there. So pretty simple. This is actually, I like how they make it easy. Okay, I like how they make it easy for you guys to actually find the trades, because sometimes, you know, sitting in front of the computer is, it can be draining, guys, you know, trying to find trades for hours, but this makes it much easier for you. Okay, so bonus features. Okay, this thing, it pops up, it gives you the signals. Like you can, like if you put Triumph Scalper on the chart, it'll give you an entry signal, whether buy or sell, at what entry price, take profit, and it'll give you a stop loss, okay, for whatever you got this on. And then, oh, also it can also send you emails. Okay, so if you want this indicator to send you emails, let's say if you're away from your computer, you can set it up so that it sends you emails with signals. So that's another cool feature that this company offers, which is pretty cool. And push notification, I like this one. But the downside of this, because I had this on my phone, right? It would send you a lot of signals, so which is kind of stressful for me. You know, I for some people, they want to get the signal sent to their phone, but like if you set this up on too many charts, you're going to get so many signals. Okay, it can be a good or bad thing depending on how you want to trade, but I don't like to get too many notifications. Okay, oh yeah, okay, so basically, guys, I think, yeah, let's see what else you get. Okay, so for the price that you pay, you get the Triumph Scalper software. Yes, a user guide, updates, you know, support. You know, if there's a problem, these guys are there to give you support like 24/7, and it's pretty cool. You can email these guys if there's a problem or whatever, but there usually isn't. And yeah, let's just see. Oh, they like giving us pro trading tips. Let's just go through them. It's like 5 pro trading tips. Okay, the first tip, guys, that these guys are giving us is never, and I do mean never, consider forex as a path to get rich quickly. I don't know why I did that. Okay, always factor the risks and efforts that must be put into achieving such goal. Okay, and yeah, man, it's not get rich quick, this thing. Okay, be careful with your lot sizes. You can make good money with even a small initial deposit, and there's no need to open large positions to make decent profit. Okay, no emotions allowed. Obviously, you know, I just don't want to read all that. Okay, be consistent, stick to your trading system, and don't add or remove anything. And then here's the last one: your motivation and positive outlook are 2 important keys to becoming a successful trader. True? Yeah. So, yeah, guys. Okay, 4 easy steps to profit. Step 1: attach a Triumph Scalper to a chosen trading chart, NAS 100 or whatever. Step 2: enter buy sell trade that is recommended with the stop losses. Step 3: exit the trade at the chosen take profit level or when a new signal is generated in the opposite direction. Repeat these steps whenever you want to make more profit. All right, all right, all right, we got you, we got you. We see you, my man. We see you, we see you. Okay, 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 okay. So yeah, there's just a whole lot of stuff here, guys. You can just go through here and just read all of this, and yeah, if you're happy about it, then you can get the indicator, dude. And if you got some questions and you need help to set this up, just send me an email or a DM or whatever. Just get into contact with me. I'll be very happy to assist you with this. All right. So thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. I think final thoughts on this indicator. All right, it's a good indicator. One of the things that I like is there's not too much going on the screen. It's not confusing at all right, very easy to make decisions. That's very important, especially when you're trying to trade. You don't want to be confused, so this is very easy to identify the trades and basically just trade and have fun. Use risk management. All right, but anyways, I think let's just hold it up there, guys. I will be posting up more videos on this indicator. Stay tuned. And yeah, you know what to do, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Holla at your boy. All right. See you guys later. Bye, guys.